Today we are going to cover the practical, that is Van de Graaff generator. Van de Graaff generator is based upon the rotation of the silicon rubber on the roller. When the generator is switched on, the roller rotates this belt at very high speed, due to which the charge is transferred to this dome. The charge appears at the outer surface of the dome. We will be doing very interesting practicals by studying that how this particular charge which appear on the surface of the dome is transferred to other sub-accessories of the practical.
The first practical is about the charge transfer. The silicon rubber is rotating. It has sufficiently charged the bigger dome. Now the charge from the bigger dome is transferred to the smaller dome. The transferring charge is appearing as a sparking, which can be clearly seen in the video. In next practical, we have mounted a pre-fixed jar which contain the metallic balls. When we switch on the generator, the charge is produced. This charge repels the balls upward, which can be seen. The balls are moving upward. Due to transfer of charge, the bells start ringing. In next practical, we have mounted a neon lamp at the topper surface of the bigger sphere. When the charge is transferred, the neon lamp starts glowing. We can see that the red color is indicated inside the neon lamp. In next practical, we have attached a metallic ball to an insulating rod and we are trying to bring it closer to the charge tip. We can see that the metallic ball is repelled again and again from the tip. I am trying my best that it should touch it, but it is getting repelled. Electrostatic wind starts moving due to transfer of charge from the dome. The speed of the electrostatic wind depends the amount of charge transferred. So we have seen various interesting factors about the charge transfer in Van de Graaff generator practical.